up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video how to Amazon sell product, best factor of Amazon list optimization, moderate blank. If you are selling your product on Amazon, you needed to it just is most time to getting customer is your feeling their address half between where getting shipping to finding your product, and the other is personality them to complete the purchase. Knowing the best practical for Amazon listing optimization is a home street, making every more sales it event. We are dedicated to helping e-commerce business maximize their profit, and so want to share some province tip make your Amazon listing successful. What your amazing listing optimization? Amazing product listing optimization refer the process after create or update your product page to increase the search visible click target rate and conversion rate. The goal will generate more sales. Some of key approach to product optimization include target keyword research and on-page optimization, complaint product title description and image, top-notch customer reviews and rating. Below we are going to cover each of the improves in more detail. Mangoes classing every gift sale to 6 point grade plant natural 10 ml graphite unlet oils kits for different from home and messages. Price $20. Visit Mango Store. Amazon choose save extra $4. We apply this option for retail. Get $15 increase pay 0 point upon approval. Visa card annual fees. Mango station. How to optimization your Amazon listing product title and keyword in order to approach the Amazon search result. Product listing most increase the suggest word before we creating your Amazon listing. Make source and increase all the reviews to keyword. Somewhere on your product page, the first setup of is conduction your keyword research and make a list of the relevant search terms, and next you will need it to place these terms strategically located with your product page. Product title until recently the best priced product listing optimization was increase your 5 top up keywords with same product title. However, is no longer improvement keywords and the title is more improvement to force and creating description but related title. Amazon allow product title to be up to 150 character in length, but is good idea to stop to under 2,200 creators vacant keywords on Amazon. You can add up to 249 between other keywords in the search terms field on the backend. Exhaust now exchange 249 is Amazon was inbox keyword that's case will find product description. You can increase more keyword your blue point and product description, but make sure keep the text information and easy to read. More detail increase educational product information such title, type of product page. Customer can increase the information via the product picture, so make sure fill out this information is target is possible. Other keywords type some product allow different educational keywords type such man movement make use them product image. Amazon will allow interest up to many image increase them once make source photo and image are high quality size to be 1000 pixel wide and 5 pixel height and edit make source photo gallery. Remind the cells is size product such is front vent miscellaneous customer expansion the many image sold. Oh, comment पढ़े थे image difficulty product angle pictures listing application detail paging built-in point or keyword product picture. Amazon allow 1000 creator description and keyword picture a complicated personal product and benefit that many provide listing user real world expert or explain how to your product will solve the problem. The special linking out among Amazon bullet point your very concrete text to categories increase or less limit by Amazon around 200 create threshold improves improvement key purchase and difficult with the below point. If you follow the 200 word guideline, the word many that will have word point will increase Amazon product description. Use product description provide product better than similar products section. You have 2000 creator demo to shipping what product is and what does some best picture for writing product description. Please use keywords target text telepathy on picture description and provide section. Use shortly signed to improve rating highlights improve information increase adding detail about product company payhounds and don't mislead because create increase product reviews. Amazon shopping real the product reviews make informed purchase description and Amazon now that's its very policy agent fake reviews product rating. Google Ads provide optimizing more traffic, increase product sell Amazon product. Thanks for watching. For latest mission update, subscribe my channel.